If/else in a list comprehension. How do I replace all the knowns with empty strings and then call some function f?
You can totally do that. It's just an ordering issue. In general. And for list comprehensions with if conditions only. Note that this actually uses a different language construct, a conditional expression, which itself is not part of the comprehension syntax, while the if after the for, in is part of list comprehensions and used to filter elements from the source iterable. Conditional expressions can be used in all kinds of situations where you want to choose between two expression values based on some condition. This does the same as the ternary operator ? Column that exists in other languages. For example,
one way. Although then you have. Or you can use a lambda inline. Here is another illustrative example. It exploits the fact that if I evaluates to false for 0 and to true for all other values generated by the function range. Therefore the list comprehension evaluates as follows.
The specific problem has already been solved in previous answers, so I will address the general idea of using conditionals inside list comprehensions. Here is an example that shows how conditionals can be written inside a list comprehension. Note that in the first list comprehension for x_non_str, the order is expression for item in iterable if condition. And in the last list comprehension for x_str_changed, the order is expression 1 if condition else expression 2 for item in iterable. I always find it hard to remember that expression 1 has to be before if and expression 2 has to be after else. My head wants both to be either before or after. I guess it is designed like that because it resembles normal language, e.g., I want to stay inside if it rains, else I want to go outside. In plain English, the two types of list comprehensions mentioned above could be stated as with only if. Extract_apple for apple in apple_box if apple_is_ripe. And with if, else. Mark_apple if apple_is_ripe else leave_it_unmarked for apple in apple_box.